the ultimate guide to vinyl flooring. Features, benefits, and installation. Thinking about upgrading your floors? Vinyl flooring might be the perfect choice for your home or business. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about vinyl flooring, its features, benefits, and how to install it. What is vinyl flooring? Vinyl flooring is a synthetic flooring option made from multiple layers, designed to be durable, stylish, and water-resistant. It comes in several types, including luxury vinyl plank (LVP), mimics the look of real hardwood. Luxury vinyl tile (LVT) resembles stone or ceramic tile. Sheet vinyl, a cost-effective option for large areas. Why choose vinyl flooring? Vinyl flooring is popular for many reasons. Waterproof and spill-resistant. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Scratch and stain-resistant. Perfect for homes with pets and kids. Comfort and quiet. Soft underfoot with noise-reducing qualities. Budget-friendly. A stylish, affordable alternative to hardwood or tile. Easy maintenance. Just sweep, mop, and you're good to go. How to install vinyl flooring? One of the best things about vinyl flooring is how easy it is to install. There are three main installation methods. Click-lock floating floor. Easy DIY option with interlocking planks. Glue down perfect for high-traffic areas for a secure fit. Peel and stick. Great for quick renovations. Vinyl flooring is a stylish, durable, and budget-friendly choice for any space. Want to see more options? Visit us at Zone 4 Flooring.